Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. What's up? Today I'm here to give you guys another hair tutorial. Sorry about the dog barking. But today, as you can see, my wig is looking a mess on my head. I just literally dragged it on. This is the Yaki Brazilian Virgin Hair Straight wig that I wore the other day. I had it on in my makeup tutorial where I did full face Star Cosmetics, and then I did a video also to show you guys how to remove the whole ball cap method, like when you use the ball cap method of installing a wig, how to remove it. This was the wig that I was wearing. It's so like natural looking because the texture of the hair is like 4B 4C texture, as if it's straightened, if that makes sense. So yeah, really like the naturalness of this wig. So today I really wanted to come back because I remember rocking this wig in a top messy bun, and a lot of you guys liked it, and some even requested that I did a tutorial on it. So I said I'm gonna, and it's not a 360 wig, it's a regular lace front wig. Lace front, it's not even a full lace wig. So, and it's from RPG Hair Wigs. What? How could I not say it's from RPG Hair Wigs? And I just wanted to show you guys how I got it in that top bun. It's very quick, very easy. And I'm also going to show you guys how to, you know, just do your edges, snatch your edges. And today I'm going to start off with the edge portion. For that, I'm going to be taking some new products that I received from Star Cosmetics. Yes, Star doesn't only do makeup. I have 3 different edge tamers here. The name of these are the Touchdown Edge Tamer, and they're in like 3 different types. You have the Edge Tamer Black Castor Oil, and this has argan oil and tea tree oil. They also have, all of them have argan oil and tea tree oil infused in them. And then they have the black castor oil, then you have the coconut, and you have shea butter. And this is how they look. This is the black castor oil, this is the shea butter, and this is the coconut. I love all of these, to be honest. I use black castor oil in my hair like almost every day, which really helps with growth and stuff, but that's not what this video is about. But I'm going to go in with the shea butter one today because I really do love shea butter as well. So I'm gonna see how it says no non-flaking and tame frizz. So I'm gonna go ahead and snatch my edges with the shea butter one. My edges are looking wild. Very important tool, toothbrush. You don't have to use toothbrush. I guess you can find a small brush that can snatch your edges, but it's very convenient for me to use a toothbrush because it's so tiny. So I'm just putting it in there like this, and then I'm gonna just start finessing my edges. So yeah, I'm actually doing my edges before I proceed to pulling the wig forward. I'm just gonna use my Got To Be spray today to secure the edges of the wig, but I'm not gonna use the Got To Be gel. The scent, it smells so good, guys. So good. But all you're gonna see is really just the front here, and I kind of just do a little swooping motion. Sometimes your edges can be the most time consuming depending on how you want them. For some parts, I don't make everything uniform. So for some parts, I just kind of swoop it around. And I'm not gonna lie, guys, this is really just slicking down the hairs. Like, they're laid, very laid. So I really like that. Usually with my hair and edge tamers or edge controls, like literally in 2 minutes they pop up back. As I don't feel like they're gonna pop up back anytime soon. Now that my edges are snatched, I'm gonna go ahead and first I'm gonna take my Got To Be Glued freezing spray, blasting freeze spray, and which has a super hold, and I'm gonna spray onto like my edges here. and just kind of pat it in. What I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna pull the wig all the way to the front, and that's the reason why I did my edges. And I'm going to conceal this portion. I'm gonna take this like scarf thingy, and this is what's gonna use to really conceal everything. You can pretty much tie this any way you want to. I'm not gonna make a bow today. I'm just going to do that. That's what conceals the back. So when I have it like this with the second loop, I pretty much just bring it around. It's easier to watch, guys, but I don't bring it all the way through, and then I kind of just open it up like a fan. So guys, that is the bun. I just love how flexible it is and looks like a fan. Anyone can do it. It's pretty quick, pretty simple, and it looks like a vibe. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you liked it. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumb up. It's very quick and very simple. That's the aim. I didn't want to do anything too long and drawn out. And the edge control, it smells like a dream. I'm gonna link it down below, and I'll also link sister website as well. I'll put all the details to this wig. Don't forget to use my discount code SUE15 and PETITE-10 to get $10 off. Don't forget to go ahead and make use of the Halloween sale going on now. It ends on the 31st of October. So go ahead and just, check that out. That's it for today's video, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. So bye.